It's been a very, it's been a steady learning curve for me. I was thrown in the deep end in Tunis, just taking the team as an assistant, and then the coach left. I had to learn quickly, and my job was advertised, so I was looking behind my back, but I just focused because this is the nation, the country is bigger than any individual, and I'm glad that the efforts we put in and focused on what matters kept the girls in focus. And our results in Chile and our long-term goal and the dreams we have, because we really feel in our hearts and we believe passionately it's our time to go to the World Cup and also to the Olympics and to rightfully qualify, not to be handed on a silver platter. And also it is time for Kenya Lionesses and also good for Kenya rugby. And this 2022 has been a good year for me, but I believe it's the stepping stone for a greater year, 2023.
Come next year is a big year for us. I'll start with 15th. We have to top that pool because I'm one person who believes that the Lionesses will be the first team in Kenya to qualify for World Cup, for Rugby World Cup, 15th Rugby World Cup. And that dream, that vision, that belief is still alive. So in 15th next year, we have no option but to top our pool, to be able to move into the next level. And the next level is a high competitive level that is going to grow us up and is going to make us also to be able to compete in those big tournaments. For sevens, our target still remains qualifying for the World Series. Next year again, we have Olympic qualifiers that is going to happen in Paris in 2024. So those are our priorities, and we must tick one box at a time.